Hey everyone, it's Thursday morning, October 17th. Welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to give you a quick rundown of what went down in the markets yesterday. So let's get into it. Before we get started, just a quick reminder. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. They're your go-to provider for personalized investment solutions and mutual funds. For more details, visit amf-capital.de. Yesterday, U.S. stocks popped back up, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average rising nearly 350 points, or around 0.8%, to close at a record high of just over 43,000. Pretty exciting stuff. Meanwhile, the Standard & Poor's 500 was up about 0.5%, closing just shy of its own record high, and the Nasdaq was up around 30 basis points, bouncing back after some recent dips. What helped drive that rebound? Well, Morgan Stanley delivered a solid quarterly report before the bell, showing strong signs of recovery on Wall Street. The big bank saw profits jump compared to last year thanks to a rise in deal-making that has been boosting its peers too. Shares of Morgan Stanley rose nearly 7% after that report. Definitely some good news in the banking sector. On the flip side, though, we did see some disappointment from companies like ASML and United Health Group, which weighed a bit on sentiment. ASML, for instance, slashed its 2025 sales forecast, which rattled confidence in the artificial intelligence chip trade earlier this week. But guess what? Chip stocks actually bounced back yesterday with Nvidia leading the pack, up by 3.5%. So, there's a bit of recovery happening there. Elsewhere, gold is making some waves as well. It rallied toward record highs after Republican nominee Donald Trump made fresh tariff promises, adding some uncertainty around the upcoming U.S. presidential race. Investors tend to flock to gold during times of uncertainty, so no surprise there. So, to sum it all up, the markets rebounded nicely. Big banks like Morgan Stanley are showing strength, and we've got an eye on how tech and commodities are moving as we head toward the end of the week. That's your quick market update for today. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Sella, and I'll be back tomorrow with more updates to keep you in the loop. Have a great day, everyone.